So now let's see how we can work around with the quad warp effect inside of HitFilm. So to work around with quad warp effect, you need to go around under effects right here, and you need to go around and go around under warp. And if you were to scroll down, you can see that quad warp is in effect right here. I can go around and click and drag it on a clip of my choice right here, be it in editor or in composition shot as I like right here. I'm just going to go around over here and work on the editor area itself. Once the quad warp is added in, you can see that you actually go around and get this option right here. So let's just go around and press Ctrl Z. Let's just go around and press quad warp. You get this big dots right here on the side, and you can go around and you can see that you can warp it out right here in 3D space, as you can see, just like this. So you can see that you can change around the perspective of the video that you have right here, just like this, or any object. So as you go around and play, you can see that this is what you have right here. So now over here in the quad warp area right here, you can go around and change around the position by clicking and dragging this this number as well, or you can go around and type in the exact value of the position as well right here, just like this. Similarly, you can go around and change around the top right position right here. Again, you can go around and change around the bottom left position right here, just like this as well, and so forth, and get the effect that you want. You can go around over here, and then you can see that this is what you have. So right now, if I were to go around and click and drag, you can see that everything is being displayed in a perspective view right here. You can go around and turn it off, and the perspective look right here simply disappears, as you can see right here. But if you were to turn it on, then it looks more like in 3D space, as it ranges out all the details in perspective. If I were to go around and click and drag this out so that it overlaps, you can see a certain order right here, just like this. So you can see that certain order is here. So this particular area right here is on the top. But if I were to click on flip or overlap order, then you can see that I can flip out the order of the overlap over here as well, if you were to work around with this, as you can see. So this is how you can go around and work around with quad warp effect right here. So if I were to go around over here under effect, under quad warp, just like this, then you can see that I get the same effect over here, and you can work around with this, as you can see right here, and you can get the effect over there. So you can go around and change this out right here. You can go around and click this out. You can go around and click this out, and you can go around and click this out right here, and this is what you have right here. And if I were to go around and click and drag this out, you can go around and then flip this out over here, just like this. So that is how you can work around with quad warp effect inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe